Welcome to MooMooMath in Science and Fun Brain Exercises number 2. In this video, you will do the following. You first will have 5 words to memorize. Next, you will learn a new vocabulary word, complete a quick little math task or puzzle, then complete a task, and then at the end, you will repeat the words that you memorized at the beginning. So let's get started. The 5 words are pirate, soccer, vitamin, grape, hat. You may want to pause just for a moment. The new vocabulary word is abashed, ashamed, or embarrassed. Next, using subtraction, addition, division, or multiplication, and the numbers 5, 6, 3, have them total 48. Next, repeat the name of the color, not the word. For example, this would be blue. Okay, here is one possible solution to our math puzzle. 5 plus 3 equals 8 times 6 equals 48. Okay, let's see how we did memorizing these words. They are pirate, soccer, vitamin, grape, and hat. So there we go, our fun brain exercise for the day. Thanks for watching, and MooMooMath uploads a new math or science video every day. Please subscribe or share.